Hello, this is elisakappel here, and I'm a professional affiliate marketer, and I can help you to start your online business as an affiliate marketer. This video is about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. This is the part 2. If you want to watch the part 1, you can go here in the cards. I never know what is the right side. You can come here in the cards and watch the first one, okay? Let's recap the first video. We talked about how to define your market, and I gave you 4 big markets. Let's recap them. The first one is money, business, and investment. The second one is health, well-being, and beauty. The third one is relationship, dating. And the fourth is lifestyle and hobbies. All right? You must define one of them for you to move to your submarket, and where you're going to narrow much more the market that you're going to work in, okay? So if you decide to go for money, you must define your submarket. What are you going to talk about money? My example is how to make money online. And after that, you need to define your niche. That is going much more narrow in your submarket. So, for example, the submarket is how to make money online. So the niche would be how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. After that, we talked about the ICA, the definition of your ideal customer avatar. That's the moment when you define the person that you are going to serve with your products and services, okay, inside your niche. So these 4 steps were in the first video, and today we are going to go ahead with the next 5 steps, okay? The first step for today is training. Guys, it doesn't matter if you define market, submarket, niche, and ICA if you don't know what to do with that, okay? You need to go to the best training in the market, and the best training is from Legendary Marketer. I've been researching a lot about that since I've started, and I've never found anything like that before, because in Legendary you can have direct contact with the advisors, with the experts, the specialists that can help you in your journey and make your path much easier than the other courses that are around there. So if you are interested in understand a little more about that, you can go to the links in my descriptions here. It's 15daytraining.elisakappel.com. You're going to have access to the sales page from Dave Sharp. That is a very good video. There you can already find lots of good insights just for you to understand the level of the training. And it's almost for free. So there are no objections here, guys. It's just a matter of clicking the button and move forward with a training that's going to change your life. All right? That's the first step. The second one is defining the product you're going to promote. Depending on the niche that you decide to go for, you must start researching about the affiliate programs around your niche and the platforms that have the products for us to promote, okay? What I'm talking about, the platforms that you've already heard about, that is ClickBank, JVZoo, Max Bounty, and others that are out there. You can find lots of products there that you can start promoting in your niche. But again, I'm going to use my experience to guide you in this process, okay? My niche is how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And there is no other way, no better way to start in this niche than promote a good training, because you are still learning lots of things. So you are probably attending a very good course, and you want that your audience have access to the same thing, right? there is no better way than attend a training and start promoting this training. This one you can also find in Legendary, okay? In the same link that I've already told you before, 15-day training.elisakappel.com here in the descriptions, okay? This is the best way, from my point of view, okay? If you want to start in this niche that is how to make money online. Because everybody needs training. And not only in the beginning, but forever, okay? Because this industry is so dynamic that you are going to understand as you go that it's really difficult to stop learning. You need to continue learning. And actually, that's one of these steps that we are going to talk about today. If you don't want to work in the how to make money online niche and you're going to work, I don't know, with nutrition, with anything that you want to work, meditation, it's important that you find your people, okay? You need to find the products, the best products in the market to start promoting. As I told you before, you can go to the platforms and you can find affiliate programs from determined brands out there. I would go for the affiliate programs because I prefer to have all this back office behind me, giving me all the right materials and not only a sales page, you know, but the support and more material for social media, for example. So these kind of things you can find in affiliate programs, okay? Next step is start structuring your affiliate marketing business. What the heck is that? The thing is, if you're going to promote links, you need to find a way to drive traffic, to bring people to your place. And I'm not talking about your Facebook page or your Instagram account. I'm talking about a website, a blog, something that you own, okay? Why? Because YouTube can define your rules and then stop giving you traffic. Facebook can change their rules because it's their platform and you can start losing your subscribers. Instagram can change or can block you and you cannot do anything, just see it and cry. That's why you need to use these social medias to drive these people to a place that's yours. For example, a blog. In my niche, how to make money online, is so good to have a blog because there you can put all your content to help your audience. There you can use your links. You understand? So the blog is mine. Nobody's going to change the rules. I make the rules for my blog. I'm not saying you don't have to grow your audience on social media. That's not that. What I'm saying is you need to grow your audience in your blog too. You need to take this audience that you have in your social media and bring them to your website and bring them to your sales funnels, all right? The next one, guys, and I've already told about that, learning. Forget about doing something without learning anything new every single day. This is the affiliate marketer routine. You need to learn something new every single day and how you can do it in the best way. You need to attend a training because this is the faster way to get access to the experts, to the super affiliates, and people that are going to pull you from the ground to the sky. Understand? So learning is a very important key in your process because today you are just starting, but in months you can already run your ads, or you can start running your ads right now. You just need the right course to learn it and move forward with your actions. Obviously, guys, we are talking about learning, but you need to take action too, right? Everything that you learn, you need to implement. Everything. And I'm saying everything. Okay? 100% of the things that you learn, you need to implement. You need to use in your business. When you try to do something different, something new, something that really works, you need to overcome your blockages, okay? So you're going to learn lots of things, but you need to implement them. It doesn't matter how hard it's difficult for you. Just keep going, learning and implementing, okay? You have to do a routine in your week, in your days, to learn and implementing every day, all right? Next one is make sure that you have at least a small amount of money to invest in your business. People say, oh, you don't need money to start as an affiliate marketer. It's not true. Yes, you need money. You need money for your training. You need money for buying great tools. Otherwise, you're going to do it for what? It's a hobby or it's a business. So I treat my business as a business. So I have the best tools. And obviously I have a forecast to invest in my business. But as you start making money, the business is going to pay for itself. And you can invest much more, and you can invest much more. And that's the big deal, right? You're going to do all of it to make money and invest in your business. So remember, guys, when you are starting, you need some amount of money, okay? I would say if you need a training, you should go for the Online Business Builder Challenge that I've already told you before. 15daytraining.elisakappel.com. It's here in the descriptions. It's cheap for the content that the guys deliver, okay? So you can find good things for a less amount of money. And the last one that I would love to talk about is connect with other affiliate marketers. Make your network starts right away, as fast as possible, because as it's a new world for you, it's important to share it with the right people. You need to speak with other affiliate marketers that will understand your struggles, your path, your journey, and your process. As you go, they can still help you with partnerships. So it's just amazing. The more you put content out there, the more you grow your audience in social media and in your blog and your sales funnels, the more you're going to have to share with other people too. More doubts you're going to have, more questions about the industry. You're going to understand that with the time, you always need more information. So networking is amazing. I'm talking about the online networking, but you can also go to amazing events. These live events are amazing because you can network, you can see people personally, you can talk with them, you can share your struggles and your victories, what other people are doing, what's working for them, what's not. So it's so good. It's just worth it. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment here if you liked this video, or if you're having some problems, some struggles that I can help you. Please leave a comment below. I would love to help you in your journey. That's why I'm here. That's my purpose. Subscribe to my channel to help me grow my YouTube channel. All right? Stay tuned, guys, and see you in the next video.